Hey everybody, here we are back at the 509, and I got another package in the mail yesterday, and I wanted to open it up and share it with y'all. This is from DLT Trading, so guess what it is? Let's check it out. This is what I've been using to carry around just about every day. Manix 2, Magna-Cut, good blade, except it's kind of rusty and it does tarnish pretty easily. But you know what? I use it, so carry it around just about every day. Got another one that I carry around as well. It's called that Sanderin Torino. That thing is tungsten carbide, and that thing is so sharp and skinny, very slicey. Anyways, let's look at this here. Got our DLT Trading decal, receipt. We don't want to look at that. All right. Here is another PSK-EDC Magna-Cut and antique ivory with turquoise spacer, red liner mosaic. This is gonna be awesome. I saw it and I waited and nobody bought it, so I had to get it. I wound up having a $20 gift card from that other pre-order that I have, which was this one. I made a video of it the other day, and we'll take this one back out and compare it to this one here as well. But anyways, I had a gift card, and then also I had some kind of rewards points. So I got a pretty good sized discount off of this knife right here. Couldn't pass it up. Here it is, let's see here. Again, another one. You know, somebody had to have, never mind, we're not going to go there again. But here's the knife. This is really cool. I love it. Magna-Cut, turquoise spacers, red liners, antique ivory, Mosaic Pens. Wipe this off, give me a second. Okay, here we are. A little cleaner. Red liners. Now I know those aren't all the way down to the blade, but it still looks cool anyway. I love it. All right, let's check that other one out with it. So let's take a look at a couple of other knives I got here. This is one from that other video that I made. This is the blue and black Sure Touch PSK-EDC. So I already showed y'all this one, but take another quick look at it. Magna-Cut, blue and black. It's got liners on it. Oops. But I was just going to show you this one as well, the liners together. There. I got a couple other ones to show you real quick, just for comparison, size comparison. Let's see here. Actually, here's another PSK-EDC that I have. Choker cactus with the turquoise. This one is in L-Max. I got this one off the internet in an auction, and came in the wrong box, but still I couldn't pass this up. It's really cool. There's that one. And here's one that's really cool. It's one of my favorites. It's the Adventurer Mosaic Pens, black canvas, red liners, and I made one of those beads for it. Here you can see how it kind of matches the blade. We got another video on these beads here. You can check it out and see what you think. But that's all on the other video. You can check that out. There's that one there, Adventurer. And this one's cool. I like this one a lot. Adventurer Persian. It's been rehandled. That's not, of course, the factory handle, but still beautiful. Looks really good. Love this blade style. Good option for EDC. Anyways, I can do a video on this one if you want. Just let me know in the comments if you want me to do another video, close-ups on any of these other knives here. But I just wanted to kind of show you for size comparison on all these guys here. Obviously these are the same size, but piece of copper. There's the Adventurer Persian and the regular Adventurer there. Show you again the grip on this here. I think it's a really good sized grip. Your pinky kind of goes off the end corner here, and to me it allows for a lot more control forward and backward, or you can, you know, grip it all the way up and put your pinky on the other side. But I like it. I like to use it like this because to me it's just a lot more better control. I don't know if I'm going to carry this one or not. Might be a safe queen or something. It's really cool. I like it a lot. Anyways. Alright, so that's it for this video. Excuse my table, it's a mess. Stripping some copper wires here the other day. There's a video on that. You can go to my channel and you can check it out. It's just a short time lapse. There's insulation everywhere. But anyways, yeah, let me know if you want to see any more videos on any of these other knives, close-ups. We can do something on the black canvas Adventurer or the Adventurer Persian or anything. And I might make another video on some more of the knives that I have in my collection. But if you like this video, be sure and like and subscribe. And we're always trying to come out with some new content. It's not all about knives, but it's stuff that we do here at the 509. So y'all take care. Thanks.